Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. I'm Promeet and in today's video we are gonna tell you some tips about car AC maintenance as summers are here and the temperatures are rising day by day. So in this video we are gonna tell you some tips like how you can maintain your car AC, and if your car AC is not working properly, what are the quick measures that you can take and do to get it running at its optimum temperature. So let's quickly begin. So the first thing is, if you have switched on your car AC and you are seeing that the AC is not cooling but the airflow is at its maximum, that means that you have proper airflow, what you can do is you can quickly take it to the AC service guy, and what he'll do is he'll check for leaks and then he will top up your refrigerant gas. Now after that has been done, what you can do is you can quickly check the temperature of the AC by driving it around, and if your AC is working properly then you have fixed the problem. Now the second thing is a cabin filter. Now what exactly is a cabin filter? It is just like your AC filter at your home, where if it gets dirty, airflow is restricted and you take it out and you wash it and you can just fix it back again because it's made out of fiber. But over here in a car, the cabin filter is made out of paper, so you cannot wash it off. But if it is slightly dirty, you can take it off, inspect it and then dust it off, or use an air blower and just clean it off whatever is there on the filter. But if your filter is completely choked, then obviously you'll have to get a new one. It is not an expensive affair. Prices range between say around 300 to 700 rupees depending on what car you drive. So yeah, you can fix that, and after you have changed your filter, if your airflow is completely normalized and your AC is cooling, then obviously you have managed to fix that issue as well. Now the third scenario, if your AC is not working, that means it's not cooling to its optimum temperature that you have set it to, obviously you need to go and check it out. So what that guy will do is he will again check for some leaks. If there are some leaks, he will obviously fix it and then he will have to top it up with refrigerant gas. But before doing that, he will also, if it's an old car, then what you can do is you can tell them to get a full service done. Well, they take out the cooling coil, and in some cars, obviously in some models you'll have to deassemble the entire dashboard to do that. Well, if it's required, you can get it done, and once everything is fixed back, cleaned and the refrigerant gas is full, you will notice that your AC has started working in a better manner, because obviously after a very long time the AC also needs a proper service, and that is why you have to get it done every once in a while. Well, last but not least, let me give you a small tip. If you want to just clean off your AC ducts at home, what you can do is you can just quickly go to online shopping center and you can just find for an antibacterial AC foam cleaner. So what you can do is you can just get that foam cleaner. There'll be a long nozzle to it. You can put it inside the duct. You can just foam it up, keep it for some time. After keeping it for the minimum amount of time that is required, when you switch on the blower, you will see that the foam is coming out, and with that there will be a lot of dust particles and harmful bacteria that accumulate over time. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all our social media channels. I hope you get your AC serviced this summer and drive with a really cool head. I'm Promit signing out. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.